Let me show you how I transform this photo transfer into art. This is art. This is beauty. This is the Nina effect. If you missed part 1, this is the laser print of my mom that I Mod Podged onto the canvas, and today I'm turning it into art because I didn't want to just stop at just a laser print image onto canvas. And so I'm going to add some abstraction and just a little of my art style to it. The beautiful thing about painting over a transfer is that there's no wrong way. I'm starting with a wash of black because the image is already a black and white image, so I kind of wanted to blend in. I want more like a frame. I'm building texture, layering, pulling paint across the canvas. You know, abstract art is about trusting your hand. You don't plan every mark. You respond to the one before it. It's like a natural flow. You just don't think about it. You just do it. You don't expect perfection. You are playing and it's fun. Honestly, I think that's one of my favorite things about making abstract art. You get to let go of all the rules that we put on ourselves. You don't have to know exactly what the finished piece is gonna look like. You just gotta do it and trust the process. I think that's what makes this piece so special to me. It's not just a photo of my mom transferred onto a canvas. I'm taking a memory and adding my own hands, my own creativity, and my own interpretation to it. And I think that's one of the most beautiful things about art. You can just take something that already exists and make it mean something completely different. If you ever wanted to make something for someone you love, I really encourage you to try this project. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look like something that you would see in the gallery, because that's not the point, baby. The point is to make art and to make someone that you love smile. By the way, I linked all the materials and products I used on this piece in the description below. Look at the final result, y'all. What do y'all think? Be sure to stay tuned for more DIY art projects and more. Thanks for watching.